Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and today I have another DIY tutorial to show you. So in celebration of May the 4th, I have designed some Star Wars bookmarks. A few that I have here are a porg, an ewok. For today's tutorial specifically, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on how I made Baby Yoda.
So these are the different materials that you'll need. You don't have to have this exact color green. You can use whatever green piece of paper that you have. First, you're going to take your green piece of paper and measure about 5 inches on each side to get a perfect square. Once you have your square, now you're going to fold it in half diagonally, and you're going to do this twice so you create an X. Next, you're going to cut out one of those 4 triangles that formed with your folds, and you're going to put that off to the side because we're actually going to use that later for Yoda's ears. Now you're going to fold down the triangle flaps and glue them together. Now you have the base of your bookmark. This is what will go on the corner of your page. So this is the triangle piece that we set aside earlier, and now I'm going to shape Yoda's ears. The next step is to round out each corner so it makes the shape of Yoda's head. Once you have that, you're going to take your ears and glue them to the back. Just make sure that the flat part of the ears are on the top. Next, you'll need a brown strip of paper that's about 3/4 of an inch thick. You're going to take this strip of paper and line it up to the bottom of Yoda and cut off any excess. Once you have that glued down, now it's time to work on the face. The first thing I'm going to do is cut out the eyes. Once you've designed the eyes, you can just glue those down. Next, I'm adding Yoda's expression. I decided to give Yoda some forehead wrinkles, some eyebrows, a smiley face, and a nose. And after that, you're going to fill in the ears pink, and if you want, you can give Yoda some blushy cheeks. And that is the finished bookmark. I just love how this looks on the page, especially when you close the book and the ears stick out.
Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you made your own Baby Yoda bookmark or any other characters, please share. I would love to see them. I'll see you in my future videos, and may the Force be with you.